Looking for more power from an impact? It's time to go brushless. LXT Brushless. Introducing the 18-volt cordless impact driver. 50% longer runtime, increased power and speed, and longer life. It provides 1,400 20 inch-pounds of max torque and up to 2,300 impacts per minute. LXT Brushless means there are no brushes to replace ever. A magnetic force generated through the windings means less friction and cooler temperatures. Say goodbye to brushes. And now, introducing the XT257T, equipped with 5 amp-hour batteries. The latest innovation in Makita 18V LXT battery technology. The new XT257T delivers unmatched performance with even more runtime. The XT257T is the new king of the hammer driver drill category with the most torque in its class. It outpowers, outlasts, and outperforms the rest. With over 1,000 inch-pounds of torque, it outpowers the red and yellow brushless counterparts by up to 382 inch-pounds of torque. How about over 100 holes on a single charge? And each battery charges in only 45 minutes or less, the fastest charge time in the category.